Izakhamuzi zaseKatlehong zithi zibona ngathi uhulumeni uzibukela phansi.
Isiphatha kabuhlungu kaloku sisilento ingadiqitshwe. Ngoba kaloku okanye mangabe ibigqityiwe bekuzovela amathuba emisebenzi kwabanye abantu abangasebenzi. Kaloku into kaSakhiwa siba nethemba lokuthi at least abantwana bethu banitshe abantwana abangasebenzi apha eKatlehong, at least mangabe ingagqitywa ingakhona inqubekela phambili.
Dala eqala ukwakha kodwa ayipheli. Angazi ukuthi manje lonyaka singaki kuyafike nini kuhleliwe nje kuthulekile asazi kwenzakalani.
As we speak, if this continues, everything is going to collapse ultimately. And we are very unhappy with politicians, how they conduct themselves in these kind of projects, where things need to be done and there should be time frames and nothing gets to be done. And it can't continue. We as a community of Katlehong, we need to take up our responsible, seats.
Obhekele ukuphepha komphakathi ekomidini lemeya eKurhuleni uthi ukungabi bikho kozinzo ebuholini balomasipala ikona okubambezela ukuphothulwa kokwakhiwa kwalesiteshi sabacimimililo.
The people of Katlehong, December, they'll be using this place, which is a very beautiful place. At completion, furniture is bought. There are tiles, there are ceiling. Even if you build your own house, once you are tiling and the ceilings, that it's completion. There won't be glasses on windows if there was still a lot to do. It's only a finishing touches.
Kubikwa ukuthi ilinganiselwa ku 85 million wamarandi imali esisetshenzisiwe ukwakha lesiteshi.